In the name of Allah, welcome to a new lesson. Today we will learn these vocabulary. Tools, tools. Tape measure, tape measure. Rope, rope. Ruler, ruler. Hammer, hammer. Nail, nail. Tray, tray. Saw, saw. Now we will move to learn what does each word means. Tools, tools means what? We use tools to do things. We use tools to do things, to cut wood or to hit a nail. Tape measure. We use tape measure for what? We use it to see how long a piece of wood is, to know how long is a piece of wood is. Rope. We use rope to pull things together or to tie things together. So we use it to cut the wood. Very good. To cut the wood. Nail. What is nail? It's a sharp, small sharp piece of metal. Nail is a small sharp piece of metal. Hammer. We use hammer to hit nails. We use hammer to hit nails. Ruler. We use it to paint. When you want to paint, you should use ruler. Tray. We use tray to hold things, to hold things. Now we will move to parts of sentence. First thing here, subject. Subject is what? The one who is doing things. Like this, he is eating. You can ask yourself, who is doing this? Who is doing the action in the sentence? Who is eating? Yes, he. He here is a subject. Very good. Verb. What is verb? Verb is what is he doing, or the action. The action in a sentence like this. I am playing. I am playing. You can ask yourself, what is he doing? You will find the verb. The verb like this. I am playing. Playing here is a verb. Very good. Adjectives. We use it to describe nouns, like a tall man. He is tall. Tall here is a adjective. Verb. Very good. Adverb. Adverb describe how is he doing this, like he talks slowly. Slowly here describe how is he doing this, so it's a adverb. Now you should read and answer. Choose the correct answer. It's what? Look here. It's what? It's a pen or ruler. Yes, very good. It's a ruler. It's a ruler. Very good. Number 2. We used to do things. We used to do things. What is this? Tools or books? This tools. Very good. Tools. Number 3. Small sharp piece of metal. Look. Nail. Very good. Very good. Number 4. We use it to hit a nail. We use it to hit a nail. It's a, yes, it's a hammer. Very good. We use to hold things. We use to hold things. It's a tray. Excellent. We use it to pull things together. We use it to pull things together. Yes, rope. Very good. Number 7. We use it to see how long a piece of wood is. Yes, we measure things by using it. Yes, tape measure. Tape measure. Very good. Now he is eating. Eating here is a verb, noun or subject. Yes, verb. Very good. Number 9. I'm playing. I here is a subject of or verb. Yes, subject. He is tall. Now we describe things. He is tall. Yes, adjective. Very good. He talks slowly. Slowly here is a slowly describe how is he doing things. Yes, adverb. Very good. So we use adverb to describe how is he doing things. Now we will move to talk about present perfect, have, has, and past participle. Why we use present perfect? We use present perfect to talk about actions in past that are still true, or to talk about our experience. Like this, I have seen a lion. Some examples. He has read a book. Look here. He has read a book. She has eaten an ice cream. They have planted a tree. They have played in the park. I have written a letter. I have bought a video game. How we form a sentence? It's very easy. You should use have or has and past participle like this. I, you, we, they. You should use have. He, she, it. We should use has. Then past participle. So remember, subject, then have and has or has, then past participle. How you make a questions? Very easy. You should have or has first, then subject, then past participle like this. Have you played? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. When you want to make a negative sentence, you should use not after have or has. I haven't seen you. She hasn't seen you. What are past participle? Been, eaten, brought, come, thought. Question. Question like this. Have you played tennis? Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Has she cooked fish? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Ever. Now we will move to talk about ever. We use ever for what? We use ever to talk to ask about what someone has done. To ask about what someone. So we use ever with question. Yes, like this. Have you ever cooked a fish? Have you ever cooked a fish? Yes, I have. Or no, I haven't. Some examples. Have you ever written a book? Have you ever seen a film? Has Amina ever played football? Never. Now we will move to talk about never. We use never for what? We use it to talk about what someone hasn't done before. Like this. I have never made a cake. I have never made a cake. Some examples. I have never cooked a fish. Abdullah has never visited London. Saud has never been to Italy. We have never written a book. Have you ever had a pet? You can answer now. Have you ever? Now you can read and answer. Have you ever or never seen a film? Very good, never. Now it's the end of our lesson. See you next week.